open this?
Hey, Charlie.
Charlie.
How do you open this? I want you to tell
Babe,
me.
can you open it for? It's just oh well, you just have to pull on the plastic until it comes open. Well, okay.
Hey, Finn.
Don't put it on the carpet.
I'm doing
Yummy, 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 yummy.
Okay, well, Finn. Here, let me show you something. Okay. Remember these things? See, you look for where it's folded over. Usually the easiest place.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
See, look. I'm just chill out. I'm showing you. See, look. Now you can put your finger in there, right where the fold is, and then pull on that, and it'll start opening.
Or you can do this.
Is it yummy?
There you go. You got started now. You got the whole thing, but okay.
What are you doing?
Oh, that's fine.
Oh. Don't.
Yeah? What is that? What is it, Charlie?
Oh. That's instructions. Can I have those?
What is this piece?
Yeah.
Come on. I ate a part of it.
Charlie, what are you doing with that bunny?
No,
Yeah?
Ooh, there's another one. Another egg.
Bunny.
There's another egg.
Oh, yeah. What are you doing? Whoa!
I'm gonna go to the next Easter egg hunt.
Yeah, well, that's in a few hours. Charlie. It's supposed to go in your mouth. If you don't want to eat it, then we shouldn't play with them. Put that in your mouth. Oh, you're weird.
Sure about the blue sugar stuff?
I don't know what it is. He just keeps spitting it out. Thank you. Thank you.
Can you throw this in the garbage while I'm doing this?
No, not really.
Oh.
Here he comes.
This fall off.
Found his phone.
Hey, Charlie.
Here, Finn, I'll show you.
Who's on the phone? Who's on the phone?
Whoa, I got M&M's.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool, huh?
Who's on the phone, Charlie?
This is cool, huh?
Charlie. What are you getting into? What are you getting into?
This.
No.
Yeah,
No. Yeah, hey, you.
You have your own.
No, Finn. He's grabbing your Easter basket. Charlie, no. Charlie. Charlie. Oh. Well, Finn, you gotta move it away from him. No.
Ooh, I got another chocolate Easter bunny.
Another one.
Yeah. Look at it. Oh, that's not it. This is it. It's bigger than everyone.
Yeah.
Whoa. It's pretty big.
Put it
huh?
down. Yeah. Charlie,
Cool one. What's up, Peter Rabbit one?
you have your own.
Yeah, another one.
You got your own peeps.
Wait. Oh, get angry. Oh, fan. Psst.
I like him.
No.
This needs batteries, right?
No, I think it works right away.
Can I play with this?
Just a second.
You got it?
No.
Yeah. I know what.
No.
I know what. This part too.
Where are you going? Hey. Where are you going? Hey.